Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and drivers. That matters. Make sure your monitor or TV supports HDR and is on display port 1, 4 or HDMI 2, 0 or higher. Update the GPU driver and Windows 11. This avoids compatibility problems later. Once done, go to Settings, System, Display, pick the HDR-capable screen and toggle Use HDR on. You're not finished, but this first step enables HDR signaling and prepares Windows to offer further color and brightness controls. Next, you calibrate so HDR looks correct. In Settings, open HDR options and run the Play HDR Games and Apps calibration, which adjusts color mapping between HDR and SDR. Then, set the SDR and HDR brightness sliders. HDR often needs lower desktop brightness but higher peak luminance for highlights. Enable Auto HDR if you play games, and verify per-app HDR toggles and full-screen optimizations. These steps balance color, prevent washed-out images, and ensure apps use the correct color space. To finish, test using HDR video and game samples plus Windows HDR test patterns. This confirms peak highlights and tone mapping. If things look off, try reinstalling or rolling back the GPU driver, then rerun the HDR calibration. Drivers often cause incorrect color. Make sure the monitor is in its HDR or enhanced mode and that the cable is certified. Swap cables if needed. If problems persist, disable third-party color management apps and check per-app HDR toggles. That usually resolves conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.